Good afternoon, student. Now the fourth example. Now the common name is, in this the four carbon atoms are present, but to this carbon atom the three methyl branches are present. Therefore it is tertiary. Common name is tertiary. Four carbon atoms are present. Therefore butyl and iodide. Tertiary, butyl, iodide. Now in IUPAC nomenclature, now select the long chain like this, or in this three carbon atoms are present, or like this also one. In this also the three carbon atoms are present. But now the numbering the carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, also from this terminal carbon atom 1, 2, 3. Same at the both the carbon atoms, the same carbon atoms have the substituents one. Now we are in IUPAC nomenclature. At the second carbon atom the iodine is present, therefore 2 iodo, and also this second carbon atom, also the second substituent methyl also is present, therefore 2 methyl. In this long chain, three carbon atoms are present, therefore it is propane. 2 iodo, 2 methyl propane. This is the IUPAC name. Now, from the textbook, we can now study the some example. First, I can write the examples here. Then we can write the IUPAC name. From textbook 1, CH2Cl2. Second one, CH3CH2Br. Third one, CH3 twice, CH2Br. Fourth one, CH3 thrice CBr. Now in textbook I can send you the PDF of the chemistry textbook. You can study the textbook also. Now in this one we can only study the IUPAC name, because for the board exam the IUPAC name are only asked. Now first example, it is CH2Cl2. In this the only one carbon atom is present. To this carbon atom the two chlorine atoms are attached. Therefore it is dichloromethane. Only we can now study the IUPAC name. To this carbon atom the two chlorine atoms are present, therefore it is dichloromethane. Now second example, this is the long chain. Numbering is start from the functional group 1, 2. At the first carbon atom bromine is present, therefore the IUPAC name 1 bromo, 2 carbon atom present, therefore the alkane is ethane. 1 bromo ethane. Now this third one, in this one the CH3 bracket twice is written. Now you can write the structure also like this one, CH2Br. Now this C carbon, the two branches are present, CH3 and CH3. Therefore it is CH3 twice. Now in IUPAC you can select like this long chain. In this three carbon atoms are present, or like this one also. In this also 3 carbon atoms are present. Now here the functional group is nearer to this carbon atom. Therefore 1, 2, 3. Now IUPAC name 1-bromo. At second carbon atom methyl branch is present, 2-methyl, and in this long chain 3 carbon atoms are present, therefore propane. 1-bromo 2-methyl propane. This is the IUPAC name. Now this one you can write the structure also here, CH3. If you don't write the IUPAC name from this structure, then you can write the structure first one. Like this one. Now in this, if you select this long chain, in this only 2 carbon atoms are present, then you can select this long chain. In this 3 carbon atoms are present. Then 1, 2, 3. At second carbon atom 2 branches are, one is bromine and another one is the methyl. Now alphabetically bromine is first come, therefore the IUPAC name 2-bromo 2-methyl, long chain 3 carbon atoms are present, propane. These are the some textbook examples. Now when you can study this video, when you can study this video, then you take the notebook of chemistry and write these examples. Next examples I can write on the board. Now next example, that is here the 2 functional group are present. One is halogen and also second one is the alkene. Now in this example, in long chain the 2 carbon atoms are present. Now here this is at the first carbon atom the chlorine is present, therefore 1 chloro, and in long chain the 2 carbon atom ethene, 1 chloroethene. It is the IUPAC name. Now next one 1 chloroethene. Now next one, this is the long chain 1, 2, 3, 1 bromo, propane, or you can also write 1 bromo prop 2 in. 1 bromo, in long chain 3 carbon atoms are present and alkene is also present, therefore propane. This propene is also write like this one. Prop at second carbon atom the double bond is present, therefore prop 2 in. 1 bromo, prop 2 in. Now first you can write the structure. Like this one, CH3 thrice means to this carbon atom the 3 methyl groups are present, then CH2Cl. If you select this long chain, there are 3 carbon atom, but if you select like this one also, there are also 3 carbon atoms are present. Now in this one, at the first carbon atom the chlorine is present, and at the second carbon atom the 2 methyl groups are present, 1, 2, 3. Therefore 1 chloro, and here to this second carbon atom the 2 methyl groups are present, therefore the number is written in 2 times, 2, 2. 2, 2 dimethyl propane, 1 chloro. Second carbon atom 2 methyl groups are present, therefore 2, 2. IUPAC name you can study the IUPAC rules. Therefore the number, if the 2 substituents are same, then number is written 2 times 2, 2 dimethyl, and in long chain 3 carbon atoms are present, propane, 1 chloro, 2, 2 dimethyl propane. Now this is the halogen derivative, means the one of the hydrogen atom from aliphatic or aromatic is substituted by the halogen atom. Now here are the aromatic examples. Now first one, it is the benzyl ring. To this iodine is present, in this only 1 carbon atom is present. Now it is the 1 iodo, and it is the phenyl, 1 iodo phenyl methane, 1 iodo 1 phenyl. You can write also 1 iodo 1 phenyl methane. Only 1 carbon atom is present. Now next example. Now I can also teach you the position in the benzene ring. Now in this benzene ring, these 2 positions are called para position. These 2 positions are called ortho position, and these 2 are called meta position. Now here, if this benzene ring, these 2 are present in para position, therefore in common name the para prefix is right before, but in IUPAC name we can write only the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1 iodo, 4 methyl benzene, 1 iodo 4 methyl benzene, or like this one, 1 iodo 4 methyl benzene, like this one. Now last one I can write at upper side. This is the last one example, Cl and Cl. Now here numbering the carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here same substituents are present. Number is 1 and second is 3. 1, 3. 1, 3 dichlorobenzene. 1, 3 dichlorobenzene. Then this is the nomenclature of the halogen derivative. When you see this video, students,